Hello, if you cannot connect your earbuds or headphones or for example speaker into your Redmi Note 14 Pro, let me show you how we can try to fix this. So first of all, if you have any pairing issue, I will start by opening settings, go into more connectivity options, and I will start from resetting mobile networks. So basically, be sure to reset Bluetooth. You have to click on this button and now click OK. It may take several seconds. After this, just try to pair your device one more time. But if it is still not working, then I can highly recommend you to switch off Bluetooth on your phone, reset your earbuds. So in my case, it looks that I have to input both earbuds inside the case and click and hold this button on the case until my indicator turns red. So be sure that you reset your headphones, earbuds or speakers. Then enter for the pairing mode one more time, turn on Bluetooth, and simply try to connect another time. But if it is still not working, then I can recommend you to go into About Phone and try to perform a factory reset of your phone. So basically erase all things, like everything from your phone. This is the only way to fix this issue. If nothing else is working, then I can highly recommend you this one. And tell me if it works, please leave a like and subscribe.